My name is Helen Murphy and I'm the Project Director for the on-street metro feasibility study for Nexus. Nexus are the passenger transport executive in Tyne and Wear, so they develop all the public transport systems in the area. And the project that we were undertaking for them was to look at how they could extend the metro system and enhance it so that it covers more of the region. The feasibility we undertook for Nexus used a number of digital tools to engage with stakeholders. There's actually quite a large stakeholder group involved, so not only Nexus officers and other people from the local authorities, but also landowners and people that work currently on the main business parks. So the work that we undertook pulled together lots of complex technical information and presented it to that group of non-technical stakeholders to enable them to make decisions about the options and recommendations from what we were saying to them. So it really helps us to be able to get everybody bought into what we're trying to suggest, some of the pros and cons of the options we're preparing for them, and to make decisions that everybody agrees with. As the project moves into the more detailed design phases, the fact that all that information is stored digitally enables them to share it with other stakeholders and get other people involved in the project.
My name is Vinny Holden, and I was the project manager for the on-street metro extension feasibility study. The main platform of the appraisal was a Geographic Information System, or GIS for short. In GIS, we were able to load several layers into a project, and that allowed us to do multi-layer criteria assessments on various important issues. We were able to upload traffic master data, which is congestion data. That displays speeds on roads, and that enabled us to assess various track alignments and their conflicts. We were able to upload public transport network journey times, and that also helped us to assess competing routes and assess the likely demand, that is the number of people using the future service or the bus would have. We were also able to map utility information. That utility information are things like sewers, cables, underground lighting and electrics, and assessing the conflict with the proposed track alignment was crucial to getting that end cost of construction. Having all of the different layers and information in one platform allows us to ask the same questions in one location and another, thus reducing the time for assessment in various sections of the route. The GIS package facilitated the easy export of complex layers and issues into open source software such as Google Earth. Now that has advantages in that some of our stakeholders were able to view many of the outputs in their own office and show them to the people that they sit next to get their opinion. They're able to discuss, therefore, the location of new stations, the route alignment, the many physical constraints such as bridges and floodplains that are en route, and are able to feed that back in a much more informed manner than they would normally. The tools developed to inform the BIM Level 1 assessment can be seamlessly transitioned into BIM Level 2, providing Nexus with an advanced stage of development for the next stage of the project.